Hello and welcome back. This is the third video of me building a staircase. You can see the former two from links in the corners. In the last video, I marked the stringers I routed and prepared everything for this video where we will do the assembly. I am in the second floor of our house. The stringers, the threads and the risers are all up here, and it's time to do a dry assembly. So it's really exciting now to see if it all fits together according to calculations and preparations. I have two steps down. They fit really well. The threads are tightest, so I have to hammer them in a bit more. And I'm wondering whether the hammering means that it's too snug and that the glue joint might be less structural sound, since the glue might only end up in the end grain. I'm not sure. Could be. When gluing the staircase together later on, we'll have to watch out for gaps from the sides, because those seem to appear quite easily since these stringers are bending a bit. I now have test assembled the staircase with great success. I now will sand all the pieces and then glue them together. Look at that staircase. I'm drilling and screwing in the back end of the treads and risers to hopefully prevent noises in the staircase. Amazing! Would you look at that amazing staircase? And it's already messy! This house sorely lacks storing capacity, so we've already started to use this area beneath the staircase. We have put up cardboards as protection for it, because we will use the staircase in this condition until we have insulated the upstairs. We're hoping that the staircase will adjust to the humidity. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to get any good video from it before we put up the cardboards, so you'll have to see it in this unfinished state. The step height and depth works fine. It's a bit steeper than standard, but it's quite okay. We do have some creaking in the floor. We're getting used to it, and we might do something about that later. I'm calling it quits for a while on the staircase videos, since we will leave the last surface finishing and the staining for later, which could be in a year maybe. I didn't really doubt that I would be able to build a staircase, but I was really worried that I might not make it even enough, that even distribution of the steps. But I can't feel any difference in the steps when I walk up and down it. It's gonna look amazing when it's stained, and it's gonna feel like a real staircase, like someone made it that can make staircases, you know. So I'm really happy with it. Well, if you enjoyed the process, like, share, subscribe, comment, help the channel out. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.